How to create a Fiverr account. So if you want to create a Fiverr account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for Fiverr, and after searching click on the first search which says www.fiverr.com, and now it will directly take you to the web page. So if you want to log in or to sign in, then you can click on sign in and then you can sign into your account. But if you want to create an account, then you can go to the upper right corner which says join, click on join, and then to join you can also continue with your Google or you can also continue with your email. So for now I'll be going through email, and here you have to enter your email address, and after entering the email you have to create a password, and the password must have at least 8 characters, at least one uppercase letter, at least one lowercase letter, and at least one number. So keeping all this in mind, create a password, and after entering your password click on continue, and now you have to choose a username to create your account name, or after choosing a username click on create my account, and now you have to confirm your email. So you have to open up your email in which you will receive a code. And after opening your email, here you will have this code, so you can simply copy this one and then you can enter that here, and after that you can skip this one and click on start exploring. And that's it. That's how you create your Fiverr account, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.